Hey, kindergarten, let's go on a virtual field trip and go exploring with Miss Schauer. Let's explore different habitats, the pond and the forest. A habitat is a place that meets all of an animal's basic needs: water, food, shelter, and a safe place to raise their babies. My yard is a habitat for house wrens. It provides water, food, and shelter for the mom and dad, and they decided to lay their eggs in the nest box in my yard. When Mama comes in, you'll see one of the interesting adaptations is that they have light-colored beaks, especially the inside of their mouths, so it's like a big target. When Mama comes in with the food, they open up their mouths and it's like a big white circle. Easy for Mama to see and stick the worm. Thank you for showing us as I was talking about it. I provided great habitat in my yard for these buckeye butterflies by planting native plants. Be careful, buckeyes. You'd make a great snack for those baby birds. My backyard's woods I wanted to share with you. It's actually a click beetle, and I want to show you why it's called a click beetle. See if he'll cooperate. So he's hiding here in plain sight, actually, here on this little plant. So I'm going to see if I can get him to show us why they're called click beetles. Yep, I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear that? What he's doing is trying to move his body to try and get away from me. So I'm going to put him down on the ground and you'll really be able to see what I'm talking about. You ready? Did you see him jump? Where did he go? Oh, he's upside down. I'm going to turn him right side up and he'll click again. Oh, there he goes. Let's see if he'll click for me one more time. Woohoo! Did you see that? Oh, he can fly too. Anyway, that was a click beetle. This flat millipede thought my yard was a safe habitat too. Look how she's wrapping her body around her eggs to keep them safe. This ebony jewel-winged damselfly was flying through my yard on its way to the pond. Let's follow it and see what else we can find in the pond habitat too. Looks like it was bath time for this female cardinal. They sure were curious little pups. They didn't seem to be afraid of me at all.
Finally, we made it to the pond, and we're in luck. There's a great blue heron looking for some fish or frogs or something else yummy to eat right by the pond's edge. Do you see anything hiding in that picture? Look closely.
It's a big green frog just waiting for her lunch to swim or fly by.
We're in luck. The green frog just laid some eggs. So there's some frog spawn that will soon become tadpoles. How exciting! We'll have to come back for another field trip to see how they're doing. Thanks for exploring habitats in the pond and forest with me today. Let's do another adventure again soon.